Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just here to show you my latest little journal. I've been working on this one alongside the Magical Forest journal that I've been doing a series on. But I finished this one now, so I thought I would show you this one. So this is a kind of rose gold kind of colour. It's kind of rose gold, kind of blush, those sort of colours. Same as usual, tea box, little bit of lace around the edges, a bit of sari silk on the spine, and then just sort of lightly decorated on the inside as usual, with lots of room to write, some little bits of stamping. Various little bits of ephemera in here. All the paper is tea and coffee dyed, avocado dyed. The inside of here is a t-shirt that was avocado dyed as well. Got some nice tracing paper in there as usual. I love that texture and the sounds. Some stenciling. Some envelopes there with a pocket. I love this little kind of gateway thing that opens up for a little sticker. That's really cute. Okay, so there's 3 signatures as usual. I've been doing a lot of these kind of quite muted colours. Lately I've been kind of really drawn to those kind of like pinky. There's a ink that I've been using called Victorian Velvet, and I'm kind of just in love with it at the moment. This is just like a little collage of different washi tapes. A little cluster up there. And then the last signature. I love these little mini journals, they're so cute. But lots of room to write in them. This is a piece of lace that I've stuck down here for some texture. Really like that. Little paper doily. We've got little tags in there. So as you can see, it's kind of lightly decorated and has lots and lots of room for you to put your own things. There's lots of little cheeky little stickers in there and things that I've popped in there for ephemera. So it's a really, really cute little journal. It will be up on my Etsy store shortly. Probably by the time I put this up, it'll be up there. So feel free to pop over and have a look at that. If you've enjoyed the walkthrough and you kind of like the channel, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon with some more of the Magical Forest journal.